off in the distance. I'm undercover. It's out of war. What up, what up? Hope you're good. Hope you're straight. I know it's a long time coming. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be going through a song that's on the package that we're working on right now, which is 37. Let's hit it. Shit. Nah, let that shit roll, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Spend a half of this hopeless. Current to the chila, silverback and trying to gorilla. The current to the So, for example, there's already some EQ here, cutting off a little bit of that harshness. You know what I mean? Like I said, most of the stuff has already been done in the box on Pro Tools. I think that. Going off in the distance. I'm undercover. It's out of war. I walk a diva, I walk a cover. No for that, a beast in one and the beater. The current to the chila. Work on the music a little bit. Turn that down. It might sound a little bit down because you want the vocal to chop a little bit. So when it goes to the chorus, we actually open up the high so you can feel. Basically, that's what you're gonna feel when it goes to the chorus. I'm over exaggerating it right now. Yeah, so you can hear that. And what I was talking about, the relationship, you can feel, even when I just put the kick in, I didn't really have to make much space. They just work together because the kick can work by itself. You know what I mean? I have some balls. How red is your red and how black is your black? So it's kind of like the same thing with color. So when you're mixing, especially things that are in the back, like your delays and your backing vocals, because that delay that you guys are listening to, which is basically that. I'll push it up so you can hear it. It's actually at the back just giving movement to the vocal. So what I